Welcome back to another video from Hacking Android Apps course. In this video, we are going to install the target application on the emulator so that we can get started with cracking the challenges. Now, there are two ways you can do it. The first and recommended way is to use ADB to install the app onto the emulator. Another way is to just drag the application and drop it onto the emulator. That's it. While the second way is easier than the first one, it is recommended to use the first one because it can help you when you are working with real devices. Before we do this, make sure you have ADB available in your system path so that we can invoke it from anywhere on the terminal. ADB stands for Android Debug Bridge. It can be used to interact with your device using a daemon that's running on the device. In production devices, it's not recommended to enable this because, as the name suggests, it's for debugging purposes. So let's move on to a terminal and install the application using ADB. I'm switching to my terminal. And then, as you can see, we have a tarball. So we have to untar it using xvzf and then diva-beta.tar.gz. Hit enter and you should have APK file available in this current directory. So I'm clearing the screen and now I'm using ADB install diva beta.apk. If you hit enter, it should install the application onto the emulator. We can verify that. As you can see, this application is installed now, and if you click on the application, it should launch and you should be able to see all the challenges available within the application. Now let's go ahead and uninstall this application and let's see how we can install this by dragging and dropping. So I'm just giving a long press and I got this app info icon. Now I'm clicking on uninstall and the app is uninstalled now. Nice. Now we don't have this app available anymore. So let's use a drag and drop to install this. So I'm just dragging this application and dropping it onto the emulator. And as you can see, the application is now installed once again. I'm just clicking it. Nice. Once again, we have the application available. And now we are ready to go through all the challenges available in this application. I'm sure you're all excited. Get ready for cracking these challenges in the next video. See you in the next one.